Hello my beautiful Cola Pups and welcome back to the channel. If you're new and you're stopping by, I'm your girl Nicola and you've just entered Cola's Kitchen. And that's actually wrong. It's Cola's Destiny. This is a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle channel. And on this channel, you will see a variety of things, a variety of different types of videos. So you will see me doing my makeup sometimes because I'm a makeup artist, and you'll see me doing my hair. Sometimes you'll see me showing some fashion. Sometimes you'll even see some challenges and some pranks. In today's video, I will be cooking. Now I do have some other videos where I am cooking other dishes, so if you'd like to go check those out, please check out my other videos. So today's dish is fairly simple, so easy to get done, and it is so yummy. So I'm going to be making saltfish and butter beans, codfish and butter beans. So in the Caribbean, I know for Jamaica, I'm not sure about the rest of the Caribbean, we call it butter bean, but it is known here in Canada as lima beans. So we're going to be preparing that. So in this bowl, I have saltfish and I have soaked it off in some warm water. And now what I'm going to do is boil the saltfish on the stove. You want to boil it to get most of the salt off, not all of it. Just leave a little bit of salt left back on it. But you want to boil it to get most of the salt off of this, okay? So I'm just going to be boiling my saltfish. So I'm just going to put that in the pot here. And I'm just going to add some water from my kettle. So over here I have my onion, my garlic, my pumpkin, because I'm going to be adding some pumpkin to this, my tomato, red and yellow peppers. I also have scallion and a Scotch bonnet pepper. So while our saltfish is boiling to remove most of the salt off, I will be peeling. I already made my flour, and I'll be peeling sweet potato and green banana. I think what I want to do is fry the plantain. I was going to boil it, but I want fried plantain instead. And this avocado here is for after the meal is done and we plate it. Want to score down one of these little grooves and give it a little turn, and then you just take your fingers and you peel away the skin like that. Okay, so the same method for the green banana is the same method for your plantain. You want to take it the same way, cut the end off. Don't need to soak this one. Plantain skin comes off very easy, unless it's green plantain. And you just want to score down the sides of the plantain underneath the skin. And then take your finger and remove the skin, just like that. Plantain, banana, green banana, they're all in the same family. There we go. So I have my pot boiling now for the green bananas, sweet potato, and the dumpling. And my pot is heating up for the plantain. So let's take the camera that way. So I'll just be adding some salt to my pot for the green bananas. We want to take our dumpling, our dough that we made, and want to make some dumpling. Just want to section it off, see how much dumplings you're going to get. I don't like them too big. I like the cute little dainty dumplings. All right. Old-fashioned way of rolling dumpling is like this. You roll it on the side of your hand, you push it in, roll and push, roll and push, roll and push, and then you get a ball or a flat circle. Then you just press it out with the palm of your hand here, and then that's what your dumpling should look like. Alternately, you can roll it in a ball, like so. And just take the sides of your hand, what is this called? The outside part of your hand, and just press it down. Press it gently though. Press it and turn your hand. Turn it over and do the same thing. And it's exactly the same shape. Exactly the same shape. Now, I don't like my dumplings big and thick. I don't like my dumplings like that. I like them small and dainty. I'm not drive truck, and I'm not a farm worker, so I don't need that big heavy flour in my stomach to hold me down for nothing. Nothing against farm workers and truck drivers, but gonna need the food for all of them. So how much did we get? We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 dumplings. And as you can see, I don't even do the ball way. I still do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, so I throw off the water off of the food, and we're just gonna add them so that everything can boil together. So just a word of advice, if your fish is still salty after the first boil, throw off that water, catch fresh water, and boil it again. You don't want to be eating all of that salt. It is not going to taste good. You're gonna taste like you're literally eating salt. And this is too hot. Okay. that off for a minute. Okay guys, so we're coming to the finish line. So we've removed the saltfish from the pot, and you can still see the steam on it. I have drained off my beans, and I have my vegetables. So I like to cook with coconut oil, and we're just going to add some of this coconut oil to our pot that is already hot. And we're going to do half of the onions and then add the other half after. Oh, one little guy said he's not coming out. Two little guys said they're not coming out, brother and sister. Oh, now come out, you know. Okay, I'm going to add the garlic and the pepper. And why not? We can add a little bit more onions. Now we just want this to kind of caramelize, and we want the pumpkin to start softening up before we add anything else to the pot. Okay, so our pumpkin is pretty much softened out. So we're going to add our saltfish. And I didn't break it up because I like to break it up in the pot. I don't like it too flaky. I like it to have some chunks to it. Shout out to my mother for giving me the saltfish, by the way. Okay, and now we're going to add our beans. And we can put the rest of our onion. And I'm going to tip a little bit of water from the kettle in this for some gravy. Just a little bit, not too much. We don't want it swimming again. That was a corny joke. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. We're going to add our pimento seeds. Some garlic powder. Have a little bit of ground ginger. I'm going to do some black pepper. And some seasoning salt. Now Now you don't want to mash out the beans, so you just want to keep turning it. Just turn your pot without digging in and mashing out everything. Because you don't want mush, you still want to have crunch. Still want some body and texture in here. And now we're just gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So the tomatoes, the peppers, and the thyme. You just want to cover it down and let it simmer. Give it about 10 minutes and it should be done. Okay guys, so our saltfish is ready. Let steam. It's ready to be plated. Okay guys, so the food is done, it's plated, and it looks so delicious and I can't wait to eat it. So let me just show you what it looks like before I dig in. So here it is, the moment you've all been waiting for. So I have my saltfish, I have my avocado, I have my dumplings, I have my sweet potato, my plantain, and this is the green banana. I mashed it and I put it in the oven and made basically a mashed potato, but green banana mashed potato. It's really good. You guys should try it. All I did was put butter, parsley, and some garlic seasoning, and it is so good that way. See me with my fork in my hand? I'm so ready to go. So I really hope you guys try this out. Let me know how it works out for you. Now, if you want, you can even add okra to your saltfish, which was my plan, my original plan. However, my okra went bad in my refrigerator. So this is what we're going to devour today. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Till next time guys, I love you and stay blessed.